Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen called China from a state-oriented approach economic politics to move healthy competition with the U.S. and said that their current approach was unfair. PRC is distributing unjust economic practices. From non-market vehicles access to foreign companies, and compelling actions against American companies. The U.S.-China Business Council's 50th anniversary dinner at Washington, D.C. on Thursday evening. These policies harm American workers and companies. The Treasury Secretary said that China's state-oriented approach could deterrence investors and called the country to move away from its current economic policies. I believe it would be better for PRC if it would be far from the state-oriented economic approach. In field of industry and finance, Yellen said, a very strong role for state-owned enterprises can drown growth and deterrent to an extreme role. Investment for the security device. Janet Yellen warns that leaving China will be economic disaster, referring to a recent U.S.-China Business Council member survey. Yellen said that companies have reviewed their investment plans and this should be related to PRC. Yellen says that deductions on the IRS financing of Republican will be harmful and irresponsible. These tendencies should be related China and China's potential to maintain structural reforms and act fairly foreign companies. The Treasury Secretary also reiterated its previous comments that the world's two largest economies will not leave and describing completely separation from China as damaging. Yellen, and other U.S. officials. The United States has not tried to leave China many times have expressed many times. He continued this will harm both economies and have negative global reflections.